Do you have a Shopify store and would like to sell on other marketplace platforms? More and more customers are buying products from large platforms like Amazon. These marketplaces could increase your store income. But how can you manage all product inventories, orders across all platforms, and marketplaces without manually processing daily orders and updating stock for thousands of offers? Salestio Shopify Amazon integration could take this work off your hands and save your time for more important topics. Salestio gives you flexible configuration and full control over your Amazon listings and sales. You can choose which products and collections you want to export. You can define price markdown. You can set the maximum stock allowed to Amazon publishing, and much more. Grow your business with Salestio in one click.
Hello everyone! Today we would like to show you one feature of our Salestio Shopify Amazon integration. We name this feature Autopilot. It helps you migrate your Amazon active listings under the control of the Salestio application. In the first step, let's install Salestio on a new Shopify store. Review and confirm the required permission scope and process for the following installation step. After the installation of the app is finished, you will be needed to select default integration. In our case, it's Amazon. This setting could be updated later. Please add your Amazon account to Salestio. Define an account name. Then choose the region and all marketplaces available for your account. Please avoid selecting marketplaces where you are not registered. Please also verify our data protection and privacy policy. You will be needed to confirm permission on the Amazon Marketplace. When an account is added, click on the OK button. At the next step, you can activate the automatic import of all your Amazon listings to the Salestio application. Please read the conditions. As an example, we can't create new Shopify products, and a connection could happen only when SKU on Amazon listing matches a Shopify product. If you are ready, click Start Import. Now you are on the Salestio dashboard. In the right section, you can see a progress bar. Here we indicate the progress of importing products from Shopify and Amazon and connect them. Please be a little patient. This process usually takes from 5 to 30 minutes, depending on catalog size. The status of downloading Amazon inventory you can find on the background job page. The current state of the job is process. The result of these jobs will be shown on the inventory page. Because the job is not finished, it's empty. All integrated listings will be shown under the Selling List page. Now we skip the part with waiting for the inventory download part and jump at the moment when this step is finished. On the inventory page, you can already find out all your Amazon listings. Now, let's jump to the moment where both the two remaining steps are already finished. And right now we can see that Amazon listings from the inventory page migrated to the Selling Lists section. With all of these listings there, you can execute price and stop update operations. Also, all changes in Shopify products related to stock and prices will be automatically reflected inside the selling list, and the connected Amazon listing will be updated. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our new feature with Amazon listings auto migration.